Lots of people have been going gluten-free over the past couple of years.
Some because they have celiac disease, others because, well, it's been trendy. And a local business in the Twin Tiers is ordering up and catering to that demographic. WNY's Tanda Reiki has the story.
Guys, you may have noticed this gluten-free sign pop up here on Route 14 in Millport over the past month. What started as a personal quest turned into a family business. It all started when Cindy McCarthy's 4-year-old daughter, Serenity, who has Down syndrome, was having digestive issues. So Cindy decided to have Serenity try going gluten-free, thinking maybe it was celiac disease, a genetic autoimmune disease triggered by eating gluten.
She started improving.
Little Serenity didn't have celiac disease, but her parents found removing those foods from her diet were making a difference.
That was the beginning of our journey. Since then, we have 3 more kids that also can't have gluten. And we have 12 children, so our grocery budget is already high.
To cut costs, she started buying gluten-free in bulk for her family and opened up Main Street Millport Mercantile to give people more options close to home.
I know there's probably some that think, it's just a fad. They did Atkins, they do, whatever the newest thing is. But I think our food has been modified enough that grain isn't what it used to be.
Perhaps the biggest debate. Registered dietitian Anthony Patricelli says people shouldn't diagnose themselves because going gluten-free when they don't have to could have adverse effects.
A gluten-free diet can be deficient in certain nutrients such as fiber, iron, B vitamins, so you really have to be careful.
The only way to know for sure is seeing a doctor. He is glad, though, that there are more resources for people with those dietary restrictions. And that's what Cindy's store hopes to offer, a community hub for people looking to explore their options and connect with others who live gluten-free. The store is open Monday to Fridays from 10 to 7 and on Saturdays from 10 to 5. Reporting in Millport, Tanda Reiki, WNY News.
And the ribbon coming for the new store is tomorrow at 10 a.m.